So in this video we are going to run code that is saved in external packages. For example, there is so many packages that is already written and saved in online version control platforms like GitHub. For example, if you see this package, this is already hosted on github.com, and in this package we have four functions like glass, go, hello, opt, and every function returns some kind of string. Here you can see we are going to run these functions in our local machine, and we are going to see a demo how we can run code that is saved in external package. Okay, so first of all we have to write a text file for program. We are going to do the name like calling code from external package. Okay, we have to change the extension as well, otherwise it will not run. So right now it is txt. We have to do in go. Okay, yes. Okay, now you can see that it is in with go extension. So let me write the code real quick. So first of all we have to import package. Let me cut these extensions. So first of all we have to import package, main. We have to import fmt. Now we have to import the external package that we are going to call. Okay, so the package name is rsc.io/code. Okay, this is the external package, and we are going to call functions of this package. Okay, so let's write the function. Okay, main function fmt dot println code dot uh, we are going to call this function first glass. Okay, okay, this is doing some kind of autocorrect. Let me correct it. Okay, so now it is looking good. Okay, let me close this, and we have to open command line here. So first of all, we have to download and install this external package that is code. So we have to write finding module is happening, and it is going to download code package in this device. Okay, so package is downloaded, and we can see that one another file is created. Now we are good to run this. Let me copy the file name, otherwise I can make a spelling mistake. So go run dot go. Okay, this is our program file name. Okay, I can eat glass and it doesn't hurt me. So this is the text in the this function. Let me run this go function. Okay, okay, control C. Okay, let's try to run all of these functions at the same time. So this is go. Okay, go hello opt. Okay, hello So I'm going to run all of these functions at the same time, and here we have our program file ready. We just need to run same code, same line of code again. Okay, so every function return a string. So first we can see that I can eat glass, it doesn't hurt me. Second one is don't communicate to by sharing memory, share memory by communicating. Third function is hello world, and if a program is too slow, it must have a loop. Okay, so that's all this thing we have in these functions, and this is the demo of how we can call code from external package.